How to unlock Ghost Skin for free on COD Mobile. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now simply tap on the search bar and type COD Mobile. Now once you are done, simply tap on the search icon. Now tap on Call of Duty and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on play. Now wait for some time for the game to load. Once the game loads, tap on the cross icon. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now again at the top right corner, tap on the plus icon. Now link to your account. Select Facebook or Call of Duty account. Now wait for some time. Now log in into your account and tap on continue. Now click on OK and go back. Now on the login page, tap on sign in with Facebook. Again repeat the same process. Now wait for the game to load. Now tap on the message box or inbox. Now wait for some time to receive the reward. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.